Okay, be honest. Have you ever tried doing something on your computer and suddenly everything just goes wrong? Like you click one thing and boom, error everywhere. Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, in this modern era, I want to give you a some little bit review or tutorial how to factor in Figma. Maybe you guys already know about Figma. So, let's go. We try. The first, we must to search like picture or something or art. You can search in Pinterest. Okay, or like this. I found in Pinterest. Just copy and paste the image. And how we can add paper A4. So just click F in your keyboard. Yeah, and click paper and click A4. Yeah, and you have it. Oh, it's so small. You can make the big one. Okay, just click. Okay, and so we wanted to try. Um, and how to change the color before it's white? Just click fill, and you can change any color you like. So I just choose white. Okay, first we factor this cat. Oh my god, so good, right? Um, so just in your keyboard or in here, you just click this pen. Yeah, just click free, and then so the first we click and follow the line. Just enjoy this factor, and you if you want to make like oval or something, yeah, just click and yeah, so then you have it. Again, enjoy progress, and already. So just click enter. After that, how we fill the color? It's just line. Okay, Control Z, and before that, I want to um there's this line, so I just change the number 0 and fill it with black color. Oh, the image! Where's the image? Oh, you guys, don't worry. Just like this. Wait. We change the number of opacity. I just changed to 0. Okay, it's okay. It's not gone. So after that, we make the eyes. You can make with ellipse or you want to factor. It's okay. I just want to factor. Yes. Okay, I'm ready. We are ready. So we make some the big line. So I just change the number 5 maybe. Oh no. We change to 7. Yeah. Okay, more big. 10. And change the color. It's green. Okay, just nice. And we change the opacity 100. Yes, like this. We add pupil. It's more. It's we make easy. Just click O in your keyboard. Click, and we duplicate, copy paste, and change the color. And already, wow, so cute, right? And you can make accessories for this cat. You make it. Wow. Just add blush. Oh no, no. Oh wow, really guys. Or you want to make this effect, can just click in here and click line. Okay. Hmm. You change, and you can make a big line. Just change the number. Then yeah. Okay. I just duplicate. Now already. And I ever see that some in the under stroke there is effect. What the function of effect that let's see. There is step shadow, layer blur, and noise something. Yeah. I want to try to the texture. Oh, it's like for mine. Like something that effect. Yeah. You can just anything one you try. And I want to wait. Wait. I want to move this gate, and then I try to move this paper to here, and oh my god, so cute. Okay, wait, we add effect to texture, make the same. Oh, we have it, guys. And you want to make like the different texture. You already can use Figma in Figma. It's easy to use, not hard like you ever maybe heard that it's so so hard. Oh, I cannot, blah, 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 but it's so easy to use. Yeah? So we just try one by one. Sorry. Oh no. This one. Nice. Okay. Glass. Oh, this. So already. Oh my god, so cute. We add the name. Wait, Sarah. Yeah. Oh, this is the blue. Wait. Yeah. Okay, ready. And how to this text not blur because we before add effect layer blur, so just inner shadow. Okay. Change, and then how to make bigger this text. Just click in here, typography, and select your number. and change the typography. I just change to Jersey. And how to gradation? Just click in here, and then you can select your color like this or like this. Wow! Oh my God! Already. Okay. Wow! Congratulations, our factor already to try. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you guys can do like this. So, Natalie, your friend said it's so hard to factor and how to try this factory. Oh, I want to try, and you already get this info from me. Yeah. So, thank you for your nice attention. Sorry if I have so many mistakes. Okay. Yeah. So, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.